That was my 9-3 at flood warning.
9.2 inch. What flooding rainfall is expected? Where a portion of northeast Ohio, including the following counties: Cuyahoga. When? Until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Impact: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent for occurring. Additional details at 9:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flooding impacts will continue, but no additional rainfall is expected. Some locations that will experience flooding include Cleveland, Highland Hills, Garfield Heights, Maple Heights, Brecksville, Bedford, Beechwood, Bedford Heights, Independence, Pepper Pike, Chagrin Falls, Northfield, Orange, Moreland Hills, Walton Hills, Valley View, and North Randall. Please visit www.weather.gov/safety/flood for flood safety and preparedness information. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, an area flood warning has been issued until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday for the following counties: Cuyahoga, Ohio,